everyone, I am Regina Masandag. Welcome in this tutorial. We are creating a document format and we will cover fonts, paragraph settings, and spacing. So let's get started.
So good day everyone. In this tutorial, we are taking on a document formatting challenge. So let's get on with it. So first, let's edit the layout. First, the size. I like it to be in legal size. And then, next, we will insert text box. So let's choose the simple text box. And here, we will write our names. Gina S. Masandag, and my partner is Mary Gwenat Legitimas. Now, we will edit its layout or the format. So first, the size should be we will change the theme size into this, and then the shape change shape into this, and then we will move this to the center, and we will change the font size. Let's turn it into Bookman Old Style. Okay. Let's change this and write it all in capital letters. Regina S. Masandag, then Mary Gwenat Legitimas. Okay. Let's edit. Okay. So there's that. And then our topic is ICT. So let's go to Google. We will type ICT. Okay. So we are going to copy and paste. Copy to paste this text. Okay. Paste. And then it has to be in justified. Okay. And then next, we need more informations about ICT, or Information and Communications Technology. And all this we can find in Google. So this part, we are going to select this.
Thank you everyone. I hope this tutorial has helped you to develop a keen eye for document formatting. By paying attention to detail and practicing these techniques, you can create professional looking documents every time. Thank you for watching!